Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. And just this morning, I cut out this puzzle and I posted on Epilogue's Facebook page and even the file. It's a pretty cool puzzle. Just one word of warning. It takes a long time to run and cut this out because I engraved every 1/4 inch little square. And then that took quite a bit of time, and then it took quite a bit of cutting. So maybe do your first one. This one's like, let's see what size it is. It's 15 by 9, so it's quite large. So I would maybe start out with a 6 by 6, and there's a couple ways you could draw a 6-inch line and draw it at every 1/4 inch. But one way you can do it is use the table tool and just do 24 by 24 and just draw it out. My computer's a little slow. It's taking a little bit of time to draw that out. Yours probably won't take that much time. But after it's drawn out, you can change the dimensions. Like right now we're 6.4 by 7.2. Come on, computer. There we go. Now I can change this to 6 by 6, and I have those 1/4 inch squares. And to save time on the video, and this will probably be a part 2 or 2 parts of this video. This will be part 1. Just take your Smart Fill tool and try to use your primary colors, your colors that are at your top. And I'm going to show you why later. So, and just make sure nothing's touching. And I haven't used red in a while, so I'm going to use red. You can keep using the same color over and over and over as long as they're not touching, and I'll show you why that in the next video. This is called a fractional puzzle, and it's not exactly, I'm hoping I can get one better than this at some point, but this was my first attempt this morning. So that's all it takes. And here was my first one, and it's color coded, and I'll show you why. And then here's the cut pattern. So I actually engraved every line, and I don't know if the video sees that, but I actually have the cut shape. And I thought it was going to be more to effect that you wouldn't be able to really see the cutouts. And you kind of can't, but it's a loose puzzle, and the curve mark shows up a little bit. But I would be afraid to try to put this puzzle together. I think it's going to be quite difficult. I would suggest putting it in a frame, so at least they have the size to start with. And I actually just cut this out of a scratch MDF, and I didn't have really enough to make a good frame, and then I would actually glue that frame to a solid piece of wood backing. So stay tuned for part 2 later on today on how to get these cut lines around these colors. Hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.